Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the conscious universe. Humanity evolves, awareness and awakening dawn. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. December 15, 2018. The acceleration of evolution. Medical scientists are cloning animals and humans, a clear plan to accelerate growth and development of humanity. Mothers started to hire surrogates, try test tube in vitro fertilization/cloning procreation for their own reasons. These are 500,000 years old procreation technologies. What reptilians did to hominids bipedals on Earth, then enslaved us. These colonizers are not of Earth, aliens. Earth dinosaurs lived 65 million years but were exterminated by outside alien forces. Acceleration of evolution of humans in looks, intellect, physical prowess, and reason is the mood of each period of times. Mind-body-spirit complex, MBS, is hidden, specifically the soul spirit, making us simply carbon bodies, energy providers, and manual physical labor suppliers. Civilization provides facts and information that happened at our planet which will contribute to human awareness, awakening to our evolution to higher vibrations. 1. Truth from records of great libraries. MBS complex have been left behind per unearthed records as an alien reptilian race projected themselves as multiple gods to people, god beings we talk with during ancient times as presented in a book compilation, an impossibility as we have light bodies within at birth. Further, to hide the truth, the dark state bombed and destroyed great libraries at Alexandria, Egypt, and Nineveh at southern Iraq in the guise of terrorism and wars they organized. Syria, Turkey, and Iran are targets. In luck for awareness, underground storage and libraries are left intact for archaeological studies, providing museums of scrolls, artifacts and antiquities illegally traded, revealing Anunnaki and reptilian civilizations cloning, tests and experiments in how humans are enslaved to mine gold and minerals. Gold dust apparently reflects radioactive flames of the sun back to space. Ether, gravity, and magnetic energies are hidden from us, energies used in civilizations of types 1 to 3 where bilocation and interstellar travel are reality. Ours is type 0. 2. Medical scientists, Enki and half-sister Ninhursag, Anu. Took decades before they perfected a subservient minor, agricultural and household labor from terra hominids and bipedal beings. They developed slaves for their uses without knowing they accelerated development and evolution of the human race, with some seeking the truth of their origin. The astronauts who staged a strike that initiated the procreation of humans got a reprieve and mated with humans, creating further demigods portrayed in novels and philosophical narratives. 3. Zayasudra or Utnapishtim, portrayed as Noah in beliefs. Was designated to build a big submarine type of ship by Enki, the expert doctor engineer ruler god, that can withstand the forthcoming flood as the Arctic/Antarctic regions are melting, a common weather phenomenon. DNA/cell preservation techniques lodged at the submarine ensured the lives of plants and animals to live thereafter. Know-how we have at the DNA and seed banks in Yellowknife, Canada, and Svalbard, Norway, to provide us food in case of disasters. A fatal error is discovered by naval architects on design. A big wooden ship taught by religions turns upside down when tsunami or big waves hit, written by 325 AD scribes who are ignorant of design. Floods are limited to the North and South Poles, and some continents must have been spared, those at the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, residents at the middle part of the planet. 4 solar maxima or minima and 26,000 years precession. Affect weather. Human ignorance is replaced by curiosity and research, learning, never the teaching of religion that God destroyed humanity. 5. New religions numbering to thousands are established for money. The Old Book Testament, a must-reading, proposed tithing, making the contribution of money a practice. They proposed tithing used at Old Testament but later prevented reading, made a new one to be adopted. Money is the game. 6. False beliefs taught by the dark create fear. A worst fear done is that God will destroy humanity at God's own sweet time, but in reality it is a planet's evolutionary system with nature and environment at bay. Based on scientific studies of the last 5 years, our Sun and nearby suns are cooling and a mini ice age will occur midway before the end of the 21st century. For fear purposes, warming of the oceans may happen in distant future caused by carbon dioxide, CO2, methane gas or nuclear warfare as planet's resources are utilized. Supreme Creator, do not destroy but create. For their satisfaction. Look what we did to our virgin forest, destroyed without being restored, creating havoc. Floods, heavy rains, typhoons are healing and cleansing elements of nature, agents of restoration of creations. Meanwhile, the exploiters destroyed the planet. 7. Middle East/European countries are worst executors of beliefs. Where the king serves as dual pontiff/leader, judge, and jury. Deep state meddle in government affairs. Colonizers exploit undeveloped countries using religion up to 500+ years, use pagan practices for fear and control of our consciousness. They educate the youth with false teachings and beliefs for endless exploitation, messing up our consciousness, further delaying human awareness. 8. Evolution through alteration of the sex of humans. Alteration or correction of the sex of humans are used. In rare cases, early gender assignment in true hermaphroditism, a continuing study by Hansbrough et al. To choose the gender of a child where both male and female gonads are present. External genitalia allows a prompt definitive gender assignment in infancy. We have learned from science that beings that evolved started as hermaphrodites at the early stage of planetary development, from one-celled to a combination of cells, reproducing by itself to unity of cells, evolving to what we are today, where in vitro and test tube babies are done for those who have problems with conception. Selection of gender, sex segregation, chromosomes XY or XX, male or female determinants of child gender happens later. 9. Governments are enacting laws allowing same-sex marriage and sex change. Dark state, George Bush father and son are popular at social media as they prohibited cloning. Reports of pedophilia/drinking of adrenaline blood for longevity, apparently leaders of government and kingdoms are from the dark. 10. Family as basic institution in evolution. The family so far is the best established institution that could provide support to members to attain happiness and joy. Hugging, parents' touch are proven in infant studies playing a big role in child development. The family as an institution is eroded where divorce is 33% of population at Western countries, a mess of evolution. Some children lost the desire to live in broken divided homes where highest suicide rates happen for lack of love, caring and stress. 11. Save the planet, utilize technologies using ether, magnets, and gravity invented by India, US and Germany. We can no longer allow deep state control us and retard our evolution, our trek to interstellar travel. Elon Musk and NASA have their own reusable rockets far short of the technologies proposed by records unearthed at Nineveh and Alexandria. It is good we are starting to explore the solar system, Moon, and Mars, for a nice start for humanity. Evolution means awareness, awakening, and ascension, the growth of mind-body-spirit complex. We are on our way to unity and collective consciousness, evolving to higher vibrational frequencies. Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel Jr. shares acts of love, light, and unity consciousness. With capitalist, he had provided livelihood to where he can at Ph.C. Middle East, a concept that a full stomach learn new ideas. Employment generation is a righteous deed as healthy body is best, better thinker. Read book Knowing the Infinite Creator by author at Slibris, Amazon.com, or link with him at ornedojr@gmail.com.